Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. So today we are going to have an amazing video that is 5 DIY remedies for hair loss. Natural solutions to regrow hair. Hair growth depends on several factors including a person's genetic history. However, there are some home remedies that may help. The following home remedies may encourage hair growth. Number 1, eating more protein. The body needs protein to grow new hair. Hair loss can arise due to a protein deficiency. Examples of healthful dietary protein sources include beans, eggs, fish, nuts, lean meats, seeds. A person's daily protein needs vary based on how physically active they are and how much muscle mass they have. Number 2, increasing iron intake. Iron is another nutrient the body requires to grow healthy hair. Some dietary iron sources include clams, lentils, oysters, pumpkin seeds, spinach, white beans, lean beef, turkey. Many manufacturers also fortify their foods with iron, which means that they have added iron to them. People who do not eat meat have iron requirements as high as 1.8 times. This is because the body does not absorb non-animal sources of iron as effectively. Number 3, trying aromatherapy. According to the authors, aromatherapy can help stimulate hair growth. Examples of herbs that aromatherapy practitioners may use to promote hair growth: cedarwood, lavender, rosemary, thyme, tulsi. When using essential oils on the scalp, be sure to mix only a few drops into a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or walnut oil. The researchers also state that inhaling the scent of these oils may affect hair growth. More research is necessary to determine whether essential oils are an effective solution for hair growth. Some people may experience topical allergies reactions when using essential oils, so it is best to try a smallest test patch 24 hours before applying the mixture to the whole head. Number 4, massaging the scalp. Massaging the scalp helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which could help encourage hair growth. A small Japanese study that men who massaged their scalps for 4 minutes per day with a scalp massage device had thicker hair after 6 months. People can use the pads of their fingertips to massage the scalp in gentle circles. Devices to massage the scalp are also available in drug stores and online. Using pumpkin seed oil. They discovered that men taking 400 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil for 6 months experienced a 40% increase in average hair count, whereas these taking a placebo only experienced a 10% increase. The men all had a history of androgenic alopecia or male pattern baldness. They were not currently taking other supplement for hair growth and were between 20 and 65 years old. Causes of hair loss. Many people experience aging related hair thinning or male or female pattern balding. Doctors tend to divide hair loss not related to age into two major categories: scarring and non-scarring hair loss. Generally speaking, scarring hair loss is permanent. Examples of scarring hair loss causes include scarring alopecia, Non-scarring hair loss causes can include alopecia areata, hair loss in patches, or telogen effluvium. Telogen effluvium causes hair follicles to remain in a resting state. As a result, a person's hair does not grow as quickly as much as it once did. This condition can be the result of the following shocks to the body: giving birth, having fever, having an inadequate protein intake, undergoing major surgery, having severe chronic illness, uh, intake certain medications such as antidepressant, beta blockers, calcium channels blockers, and or retinoids. Prevention: eating nutritious diet and keeping stress level low can help prevent hair loss and encourage hair growth. In addition to these steps, other ways to encourage the hair growth include not using hair accessories that can cause their hair breakage, such as hairpins, clips, and rubber bands. Avoiding styling products that can damage and break the hair, such as blow dryers set to at a high heat, straightening irons, and curling irons. Limiting the use of bleach, relaxers, and hair dyes. Avoiding excess shampooing or brushing when the hair is wet, avoiding brushing to it, and apply plastic or rubber hair ties. Treating the hair gently as possible as can help preserve it and minimize the rate of hair loss. Sometimes, however, hair loss is inevitable due to age. I hope you liked this video. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.